In today's short and simple tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Instagram account permanently. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in the Instagram application, there is no option available to delete your account. So what you have to do is to open your internet browser, and in the search bar, you need to type instagram.com. Click on search. After that, you will be required to log into the Instagram account that you want to delete. And once you have logged in, you will be directed to this interface. So click on your profiles icon at the bottom. Then click on the settings icon. Scroll down and click on help. Click on help center. At the top right corner of your screens, you will see these three horizontal lines. So click on it and then click on manage your account. From here, select this option, delete your account. Click on the second drop down that says delete your Instagram account. Scroll down and here in blue color you will see this option, delete your account. So click on it. Now select the reason why you are deleting your Instagram account. Again scroll down and re-enter your Instagram account password. Once you have entered the password, all you have to do is to click on this delete option. Once again click on delete. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now deleted permanently. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.